heard topic comprehension, subtopic invention of transport. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn an interesting topic. So let's begin. Students, in olden days, people used to travel with the help of bicycles, bullock cart, horse to go nearby places. But student, if people want to travel long distance, then what do they use? Students, slowly, the invention of trains and car is done to reach long distance and even from state to state. But student, to travel other countries, we did not have transportation to reach that place. So student, to reach the different countries, then the invention of aeroplane has begun. Now, all this transportation is our needs in day-to-day life, whether it is a car or a train or an aeroplane. By using trains, cars and plane, we can reach that place within a less time. So, now student, let's see why this transportation was invented and how. One of the many inventions to date, many of them are linked to transportation and travel. Student, as new inventions and discoveries were applied to transport problem and because of this invention, student, travel time decreased. So, people started traveling from one place to another. Walking was the first mode of travel. However, distances and different terrains become obstacles to this form of transportation. Student, walking is a means of transport is commonly used for rather short trips, but now student, if we want to go out at some distance also, we use auto rickshaw or bicycle. So student, at present the importance of walking is therefore neglected. But student, through walking is not easy to reach the long distance also. Hence, people began to make use of animals. Whether it was the horse, the bullock or the camel, animals took people from one place to another at a much faster pace, saving time and allowing greater interaction to take place. So student, before man was traveling through walking, but it is not easy to reach the long distance places. So afterwards man started using animals as a means of transport. Animals like donkey, bullock cart, camel and horses man started using as to travel from one place to another and to transport things on land, because animal took people from one place to another at a much faster pace and it also saved time. So student, walking take much time to reach the long distance, so man started using animals, and with the help of animals it is easy to reach the longer distance places. However, some people found it difficult to ride continuously on animals, so some animals were afraid of terrain. Student, terrain means a piece of a land, a stretch of land, especially with regard to its physical feature. Understood student? So, some animals were afraid of terrain that contain a lot of water. Some terrain means some ground they contain lot of water and some ground are too rocky and bumpy. So animals scared to walk on that land because it is very difficult for them to walk on such type of land. And also student, it is very difficult to ride continuously on animals for a longer distance. Even animals are also afraid of climbing mountain, going to a rough land, desert area. Correct, student? So student, to avoid all this problem, let's see what is the next thing is invented. So student, machines were next in line. Which machines man could travel even further than before and in place no one had ever ventured to. So student, when man found that it is difficult to travel a long distance for man as well as for animal, so then man started the invention of machine. Understood, students? So afterward machine were invented, so man could travel even further than before and from one place to another in less time. So student, on the screen you can see also scooter is there, then car is there. So through this we can cover a longer distance, reach that place in less time. So and it is easy for human being also to travel longer distance. It was impossible to trek from one end of a country to the next, as the time needed to go back and forth often did not make the trip worthwhile. So student, if we use bullock cart or other animal to travel, it takes much time to reach the place. For example, student, if you want to go for a picnic, okay, so but for that we have to travel through bullock cart. If we have to travel through bullock cart, so it take more time to reach that place and also we have to come back again, so our time is wasted by going and coming only. But student, if we use car and or train to reach that place, we can able to reach that place within a less time. So to save the time, man started inventing machines for transportation and travel purpose. However, with machines like the car, people could get to their destinations much faster than before. Cars and aeroplanes are two important inventions that have helped to propel society forward. So student, with the help of car, we are able to reach the place much faster than before. So student, car and aeroplanes are two important inventions that helped people to save time and also to transport good. With cars, people can travel faster, and with aeroplanes, it does not matter if countries are separated by mountains or the wide open sea. So student, with the help of car, we are able to travel from state to state also. And with the help of aeroplane, we are able to travel within a country or even the outside of our country. We can visit each and every country with the help of aeroplanes. So student, it does not matter if countries are separated by mountain or the wide open sea. With the help of aeroplane, we are able to reach other country, and it is very easily and we reach it in a less time also. There are no longer obstacles to travel. Within a country, people can conveniently stay far from the city without the fear that they will not be able to commute to the city in time. So, student, train also play an important role because with the help of train we can travel long distance even from one state to another state. So, student, the people may be rich or poor, they do not have the fear that they will not able to connect to their city in time or with their family. So that is why student, many peoples they come, they go in other states for to do the work and all that, and whenever they want to go in their native place, train is the first means of transport for that person to reach their place quickly. Aeroplanes invented by Wilbur and Orville Wright certainly sounded like a fantasy when they first started out. Student, Wilbur and Orville Wright were American inventors. They invented the world's first successful motor operated airplane. But student, before invention, people thought that it was impossible for man to fly high in the sky like birds. But Wright brothers had proved them wrong. Let's see student how. Barely able to fly very high above ground and hardly lasting more than a few seconds. Their invention did not lasting more than a few seconds. Their invention did not look promising. So student, for first time the aircraft is barely able to fly and they are not able to fly the aircraft very high. So the invention did not look promising to other people. The people thought that this invention may be flopped because it is not possible for the man to fly high in the sky. The brothers ran many trials, not without accidents. The aeroplanes were known to have crashed a few times in the process of inventing more stable ones. So student, in many trials the plane gets crashed. But student, after all the process has done, after all the process finish, Wright brothers toss a coin to see that who is going to fly the aircraft first time. So in that toss student, Wilbur won. But student, his first attempt on December 14, 1903 was unsuccessful and also caused minor damage to the aircraft. So student, on December 14, 1903, Wilbur tried to fly the aircraft, but he was unsuccessful and also the plane caused minor damage. So now let's see who is able to fly the aircraft. Their perseverance, however, paid off and the aeroplane is now part and parcel of everyone's life today. So student, after the first attempt of Wilbur, the second attempt, who has done the second attempt student? Yes, Orville. Orville done the second attempt. After 3 days later, Orville in coat and tie on the planes lowered the wings and took the control. Orville was able to fly the aircraft on December 17, 1903, which lasted for 12 seconds and covered 120 feet. So student, this was the achievement of Wright brothers on December 17, 1903. At that day, they were able to fly the aircraft and it was lasted for 12 seconds they are able to fly the aircraft and they covered 120 feet. And now student, the aeroplane is a part and parcel of everyone's life today. Answer the following questions. What conditions made walking difficult as a mode of transport? So student, tell me, what condition made walking difficult? Yes, correct student. Distances and different terrains made walking difficult as a mode of transport. Very good student. Now student, let's see the next one. Which sentence tells you that machines were used once animals become unsuitable as a form of transport? Now student, tell me, which sentence tell you that machines were used once animal became unsuitable? Yes. Let me tell you student, when people found difficult to ride continuously on animals and even animals afraid of Tarrant, which was too rocky and bulky. This sentence tells that machines were used once animals became unsuitable. Have you understood, student? Now, student, let's see the next question. Why did people prefer to take a car rather than walk from one place to another? Now tell me this answer, student. Why people prefer to take a car rather than walk? Yes, correct, student. People prefer to take a car because through car people could reach their destination much faster and in less time. Now, student, let's see this one. Question number 4. Why were mountains and the sea between countries no longer obstacles to travel? Yes, student, because with the help of aeroplanes, it is easy to travel different countries and within a countries without any obstacles. Now, student, let's see the next one. Question 5. Why did Wilbur and Orville Wright's invention not too promising? Now, student, tell me why Wilbur and Orville Wright invention not look promising? Yes, correct, student, because the aircraft barely able to fly very high above ground and hardly lasting more than a few seconds. That's why the invention not look promising. Correct, student? Thank you, student. Keep practicing.